Each of us in our life has faced the necessity to repair something, to make some maintenance at home so as not to wait for a repairman. Many of us also like to engage in technical creativity and create something with our hands. For that, we would need some basic tools. Some people buy separate tools and store them in a drawer, in a cabinet, in a place like that. It's not very convenient because firstly we can't get all the tools together at once. Secondly, it's inconvenient to store them. So I want to present to you such a fine and convenient solution as a Toolbox CT840. Let's take a closer look at what this toolbox consists of and what we can do with its help. First, this toolbox. It has such instruments as pliers and nippers. They are stored in a convenient pocket and there's no way they can fall out. It also has everything you need for electrical installation. There is a soldering iron, desoldering pumps, various devices for work with printed circuit boards, tweezers, including reverse action tweezers. There is also a stand for the soldering iron, where you can conveniently put it during work, and capacities for flux. There is also a convenient multimeter for electrical work in the set. The toolbox also has a mini drill with nozzles. With it you can cut, carve, drill various materials, both metal and non-metal. There is also a set of hexahedrals collected in a fairly convenient case, which does not fall apart. You won't lose it either. There is a box too, where you can put various expendable materials, screws, nuts, washers, maybe parts of electric components. There is a very large set of screwdrivers, from power, which you can use to tighten a screw into the wall or to disassemble a case, to miniature ones, which will help you to configure electronic devices or assemble something. There is a set of small spanners from 4 to 10, and also such a quite common multi-purpose tool that allows you to strip and cut wires and swage jacks, for example car jacks. This is not the whole list of items in this toolbox. All of these tools fit into a handy metal case, which is convenient to store and transport whenever you go.